How are you doing, guys? So today we're going to be looking at making a Keystone Jack. So first you're going to use a screwdriver. You're going to get specifically a flathead, and you're going to use the corner of the flathead to release the pin on the keystone. Now with the cover removed, you can see the terminals. You're going to use the stripper and remove the PVC jacket. 2 to 3 turns will do. And you will use the expanded jacket that was cut from the wire to untwist each of the wires. You can either use the PVC casing, the jacket casing, or you can just use your hands. Either one will do. Untwist and give a squeeze to straighten the wire. So untwist, pinch, untwist, pinch. You don't have to organize the wires. You could just discard this now, you don't need it anymore. Now you don't have to organize the wires. You can simply follow the mapping or the terminal mapping on the keystone itself. So now if you are doing T568B or T568A, so you see orange, orange white, green, solid green, and green white, brown white, brown, blue, white, and blue. All these colors match the T568B mapping. You're going to get your punch down tool. Now the punch down tool can be dangerous because it has a rounded edge and a sharp edge. The sharp edge can cause harm to the palm or the fingers since there's so much pressure being used in the punch down tool. Ensure the sharp edge is on the outside of the keystone. I'm supposed to have a punch down stand, but honestly I completely forgot it. I don't know where it is. I can't find it at all, and I have to order another one. It's my second one that I've lost. Now on the other side, this is the result of my work. All wires are in the terminals, firmly fastened, and have been cut cleanly. Now you would put the dust-proof cover back on to ensure that the work isn't damaged or contaminated. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and until next time.